Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to start GMAT preparation. First, familiarize yourself with the exam's format, including its 4 sections: analytical writing assessment, integrated reasoning, quantitative reasoning, and verbal reasoning. Next, take a full-length diagnostic test to establish a baseline score. This helps pinpoint areas needing improvement. Finally, based on your diagnostic results and target schools, set an achievable score goal and a study schedule, allowing ample time for comprehensive review. Once you have your baseline, gather your study materials. Official GMAT guides from the test makers are essential for authentic practice questions and explanations. Many test takers also benefit from online courses or a private tutor for personalized guidance and structured content. Create a detailed study plan that allocates specific time to each section, prioritizing the areas where your diagnostic test showed the most room for growth. Consistency is key. Consistent practice is crucial for GMAT success. Dedicate time to working through timed sections, simulating exam conditions to improve your pacing and stamina. After each practice session, meticulously review every question, especially those you answered incorrectly. Understanding why you made a mistake is more valuable than just getting the right answer. Implement active recall and spaced repetition to reinforce concepts and improve long-term retention of information. As your test date approaches, take several full-length practice exams under strict timed conditions. This helps build mental endurance and fine-tune your test-taking strategies, especially for managing your time effectively across all sections. Remember to get adequate rest and nutrition in the days leading up to the exam. For those looking to simplify their home life, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Stay calm and confident on test day.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.